A few days ago, a swarm of monkeys took over the streets of a city in Thailand.
Why are the apes, man? No kidding. Look at this guy.
This is what happens when two bobcats run into each other in a forest.
Chat's getting tapped. She is. Aren't those mountain lynx or whatever?
This woman was being bothered by a creepy man, so she ran over to this live streamer and pretended that he was her friend.
Huh. I'm sorry. With my friend.
Hi. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Good to see you. It's alright. Have a good night, man.
Hi.
See you.
Where from?
Australia.
It's okay?
Yeah, fine.
See
you, man.
Okay.
See you. Have a good night.
Eventually the man left and she thanked him for helping her.
Are you in danger?
Yes, pretty dangerous.
Really?
Here's a dog that only has 2 legs but doesn't seem too bothered about it.
She is. Popped off. Oh, holy shit, he's doing so well with only 2 legs. It's like a motorcycle.
This guy went into a coffee shop and started levitating a napkin.
Okay, but how?
This is what it would be like if humans behaved like dogs.
Okay, dude.
This guy figured out the best way to eat spaghetti.
And the Italian's molding.
Beach crawling around the fort.
This is a water bear, and it's a microscopic animal. What's so interesting about this creature is that it's been around for about 500 million years. During that time, they have survived 5 mass extinctions throughout Earth's history. They also have the ability to live without food or water for more than 30 years.
How? This is sick, dude.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
That's cute.
Later.
I too can live without food or water for 30 years. You know that?